G'day to minimums, my name is Island26, welcome to a bad audio vlog and desk setup. So currently I have a new desk. It's not currently set up as you can see, yeah, because it just came like 10 minutes ago and I'm just like, I need to like get everything down, bring in the new stuff and then be good. Yeah, so you'll be seeing a time lapse of all of this stuff being brought down, the desk being moved out, and then the new desk coming in. Yeah, hopefully you will watch and enjoy. There'll be some music, sped up, me going really, really fast, even though I'll be going really, really slow. Just making sure I know what all the chords are. Yeah, enjoy that. Okay, so, bad audio, sorry. Had to set up, as you saw, my first attempt and my second attempt. Yeah, so this is everything. I did have to pull down the lights because I was trying to do it with this. I don't know why. Yeah, so I'm gonna be speeding this up, like I said before, and hopefully you see the end product. Cool. First of all, I'm gonna actually play myself some music, and then you'll be listening to royalty-free music. If you want to know what music I'm listening to, leave it down in the comments and I'll tell you. I'm not gonna do a whole bunch, so.
You like to play your own game. Cover it up, don't let them know what you're thinking. I bet you never tell them how it feels. I bet you never even try to be real. Cover it up, you like to play your own game. Cover it up, don't let them know what you're thinking. I bet you never tell them how it feels. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real.
Okay, quick side note, there'll probably be a black bar over where it has like my thing. Even though you probably can't see it, there'll probably be people trying to zoom in and all that jazz. On the box it says do not cut. How the hell am I supposed to get it open then? It says do not cut. There's no like opening out and there's no like dotted lines and all that, so you can just rip and it's just like, which would be really satisfying. It's good to get on camera. But how? Yeah, it says do not cut right there. Well, I'm rebellious and I'm gonna cut it. It's gonna cut it. Oh no, it's gonna cut it. Oh, safety with nines, as we all know. And I'll be continuing up this speed, the time-lapse thing. Go. now we've got the adapters. If you don't know, in Australia we have that adapter, which is the, hang on, probably wait until like you get a good look at it. It's like the two prongs are at a slant. Focus. Makeup tutorial. This is what the plugs will use. Yeah, so this is the plug. I think it's like, it's gonna tell me. It just has 10A, 250V. Yeah, I think we have like 62 volts or something. I don't know. Editing me right now is gonna show you what that we currently have. And it has like something else that's probably gonna, oh, they're the buttons. I'm like, what is this? Buttons. Okay, and this looks like all the tools and all that I need, which are set out quite nicely. Okay, time to move. Oh, we got some plastic. Wait, did we get multiple plastics? Ah, we did. We got some nice thick plastic, which I might turn them into something like coasters, or I don't know. They're good. They'll probably like help a lot. Gonna keep those. Cool. All right, continuing on. Or do you want to go through with me? I don't know. I'll think. Hang on. Got 7 minutes. I think it's 30 minutes that the recording stops. Yeah. Let's just go through it all together. Okay. All together now. Also, unfortunately, you might not get any cats walking in because majority of them are scared. If you don't know, well, there's 4 cats currently in the house. Kovu, Jade, Garfield, and Ollie. Ollie is a big cat that we rescued. He was just wandering around and we're like, hey, he wasn't all that well. But he is the biggest cat, but he's the scaredest cat. You're like, Ollie, come here. And he's just like, no, that we're not gonna hurt you, no. Right, instructions, where are they? There. Okay. Cool. Tell me how to build the thing. There we go. Okay. First, do not connect to the power. Cool, we're not going to do that. Alright. So that goes at the bottom. Okay. Okay. Interesting. And it wants me to bolt it to the actual ground. Oh! It's upside down. I'm like, it wants me to bolt it to the ground? Oh man, that means I need to... Ooh, I need to reposition the camera. Okay. Hi. Very close up and everything. I'm gonna reposition you a little bit. Is that best? I think that's best. Let me just tighten the little thing. There we go. Yeah. The reason being is I need to flip it over. Which is gonna be a challenge. Sorry, the recording cut out and all that, and I'm just like talking away. Yeah, so I might have to do some AR pickups and everything, and like, so you can actually hear me or not, or depending on like how the room actually goes. Get on with it. Okay. So first and foremost, we need these two, the legs, and that ginormous long pole over there, and the control thing that goes up and down, the other little adapter, which is the thing, and the thing that converts it into power. Okay, right. Ow! What? That was freaking loud. Ow. Okay, I'm gonna go a little bit of cardboard in the way. Down. Okay, that goes. Okay. long ones are ease. Okay. Knife. Knife. There's a knife. That's a knife. This is a knife. Okay, little side note, if you're going for this, if you're making this and all that, and you're studying this step, start with the ones at the side, not the ones that go on top. Because, oh my god, that was like a battle in itself. Little helpful tip. Right, now that is that step done. Really? Okay, so we've done all of that. The next step is connecting the actual desk to the actual, like, the frame to the actual desk, which should be good. Alright, and then I need to get the actual, like, the frame, or the desk in. The recording stopped again. As you can see, there's a big ginormous cardboard box. I put the other box out, and Jade, she's the girl cat, which is black, and she was like, oh my god, it's a box. I'm like, Jade, look, it's a box. And she's like, when it's in the box, flops. I'm like, that's classic Jade. As soon as there's a box out there, she's like, yes. The others, not so much. Right. Okay, where is my knife? My knife is over there. Cool. Alright, is this gonna tell me not to use knives? It's a box within a box. Okay. I guess for, like, safety purposes. Yeah, look! It's a box within a box. That's another box. And I don't know if you can see, but there's the actual desk. Right there. That one. The box makes it look bigger. Take that out of context. The box makes it look bigger. Okay. Skip in. Okay, hopefully I can try and get it out now. Lift! Nope, okay. Let's push some of this more over that way. Bring this a bit closer. Oh, that's for the cords. I'm just like, there's a hole in it. I'm like, oh wait. Nearly dropped it. Would have been bad. Oh, he has the strength of Tank Tigers. No, I don't. I'm not Phantom. Oh my god. Oh my god, that is quite heavy. Probably 20 kilos, maybe? I don't know. I have no idea. Like, look at me like, oh yeah, this way, this. Like, I have no idea. Okay, let's prop this. That was Bayak. Oh, Samuel went flying. His arrows went flying. Oh, that's a problem. Everything just went flying on Bayak. Oh. Okay, I'm just gonna take his bow out of his hand for a sec, push him back, push everything back. Yeah, I don't know where his arrows went. Hopefully they went back somewhere. Oh, no, they're under Ezio, older Ezio, if you know the relation of like where everything is on my my shelves. If you don't, there is going to be a video up somewhere, so you can find it there. Okay, let's get this ginormous cardboard box out of the way. Alright, I'm back. I have got it the wrong way up. Or the wrong side down. Like, seriously? Nothing? Okay, desk company, like, how? All it has is, okay, now attach frame to base. But we're not gonna tell you how. Like, I understand, put it on, put screws in, but I want it center. Any instructions like back here? That's not English. That is English. It just has one single sticker on it that says bottom. Okay? But how? Like, there it is. You can, I'm covering most of it, but it doesn't have a center. It doesn't say where the center basically is. I can guess where the center is because of the bracket, but I can't gauge of like how far something's gonna be over. Okay, so I sort of eyeballed it a little bit. To put in plain speech that this sort of using electrical high current, blah blah blah, set up an installation, blah 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 blah. Okay, do not place object above 55 centimeters, 12 inches under the table. Okay, frame, weight, frame. Okay, it doesn't basically say anything about what the distance is, but I basically like measured and see if like it jingled and everything. Base, so this frame to the actual thing, so like the little gap down there, is about 4.5 each side. Then from base to edge of the corner, so like the front and the back instead of the sides, not the sides, the front and the back, is about 12.5 each side. So you have the frame, which is the T, then you've got the desk on top, 12.5 centimeters that way, then 4.5 centimeters that way. If that makes sense, if you're installing it. Because there's no layout whatsoever. There's, like I said, if you're installing this yourself, or you're just like stumbled upon this because of weird coincidence and all that, yeah, it doesn't tell you anything. It's just like, hey, slap this on, bang. Okay, I'm gonna have the funnest of time flipping it over, so. Woo! Alright, where are the screws? Freaking here, okay. Okay, so the battery is running low. I'm gonna skip a little bit, having some frustration, and I'll see you when, probably see you next, which is probably gonna be annoyed and all that jazz. So see you till then.
Cover it up, you like to play your own game. Cover it up, don't let them know what you're thinking. I bet you never tell them how it feels. I bet you never even try to be real. Cover it up, you like to play your own game. Cover it up, don't let them know what you're thinking. I bet you never tell them how it feels. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even try to be real. I bet you never even t
So it's day 2. As you can see, some of the things are set up, but not everything sorta isn't. yeah, so it can raise up and down. It just grinds into my bed, goes up to a certain way, can't go back down, so I have to pull the leg. Space. Yeah, hopefully this concludes the video. If not, I'm probably gonna chuck in a whole bunch of other stuff. I don't know where I left it. This isn't the final setup. This is just me at a temporary stage, just like, yay, I'm happy. But yeah, I don't know. If this is the end, good night to you, Metames. My name is Attribution. Hope you like and subscribe to my stuff. I've got my YouTube channel and I've got Twitter, which you probably can't see, because they're on the screen, but yeah. If I can grab it, there we go. Yep. YouTube, Twitter. Yeah, hopefully you, like, my camera can focus. There we go. Yeah, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!